We have walked through all the basic tabs, groups and commands in the ribbon. It is time to move to the step-by-step demonstrations on how to use each command to solve a challenge in Microsoft Word 2019. This is a step-by-step demonstration lesson. Our objective in each lesson is to keep the video short and simple to drive the point home for easy assimilation. So feel free to pause this video at any time and ensure you are following along. At the end of each lesson, you will know how to use Microsoft Word commands to perform various tasks. Let's start with the cut, copy and paste command. Of course, I'm pretty sure most of us know the basic function of the cut, copy and paste command in Microsoft Word. But for the record and for others, let's get started. You may want to move or duplicate a word, object, sentence, paragraph or anything in your document to another space or location. The cut, copy and paste command is the right tool to get that done speedily. Here we have our text, picture and paragraph. We are going to cut, copy and paste them in another page. First thing you must do is to select the text, object or anything you want to copy or cut. Let me show you how to quickly select your text. Place your cursor before or after the text like this. Then click and hold the mouse. Drag to the other side to select the text. Another easy way to do this is place your cursor in the midst of the text and double click to select the text. As you can see, we have selected our text. Next, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+C on your keyboard or click on the copy command on the clipboard group to copy the text. Now we've copied the text into the clipboard. Let's go to the next page to paste our text there. Make sure your cursor is placed accurately where you want to insert or paste the copied text. Then you can either use the shortcut key Ctrl+V on your keyboard or click on the paste command on the clipboard group over here to paste the copied text. Great! That is our text right there. Now let's cut the text. Select the text as usual. You can either use the shortcut key Ctrl+X on your keyboard or click on the cut command on the clipboard group. Make sure your cursor is placed accurately where you want to paste the text. Now click on the paste right here. Great, that's our text. Alright, in our next lesson, you will learn the different paste function in Microsoft Word. I believe this lesson is helpful. I'm sure it is. If it is, kindly share this lesson with friends and family. Thank you and see you in next lesson.